So on this very day, a local friend of mine, he called. I said local because he's not a Nigerian. So he called. He was like, "Are you home?" I said yes. He said, "Do you have the tomato sauce in your freezer?" Like, you mean stew? He said yes, stew. I said no, I don't. I feel like. So he's like, "Oh, please, can you make some for me? I'll pick it up when I come to your location because I'm coming to your location today." I said, "But I don't have anything." He said, "Please, you can buy. I will give you the money." I said, "Don't worry. I have some tomatoes and beef. I can make manage with that." He said, "Okay, thank you." He said, "Don't worry. I'll pay you when I pick it up." Then I asked, "Why do you want it?" He said he told his friend that he had a Nigerian female friend who 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 can cook and he eats from her when he's around. Like, and he said also, "I'm craving for this." I said, "Okay, fine." So basically, I used to be around their location. He was the first set of friend I made when I arrived this place because he speaks English good also and he has traveled a lot sometimes. So he was the first set of friend I made. So he do come to my house. When he comes to the house, I give him food and he eats because he's been with so many other nationalities. So he eats everything and he doesn't select much. The only thing is, don't, if you're giving him food, don't blend the chili because they don't blend chili. Instead, they throw in the chili in the food, and when they are eating, if they feel like eating the chili, they can press it and it dissolves in the food. So at this time I've left the location. So he's like, he's coming towards my location on this day that I should make him this. So why I'm saying this story, it's for some of you as you're watching this video, learn how to cook. If you don't know how to cook, you can watch this video. You must not have so much ingredients in the house. You must not have everything. If you have salt, seasonings, and just few things, you can cook something and it still comes out very nice. So, and for me, I used to have friends that I miss the food. I have a friend now, she owns a kitchen, Faith's Kitchen also. She owns a kitchen. She cooks good. Like this patty jollof, she's good at it. I can cook it, but that's my friend, she does it. I think she does it better, or I don't know how to put the words. I also have a friend who cooks pasta. I can cook everything, but these people, they cook it in a way that you just crave for the kind of food. You just crave for something they cook. This friend of mine, she cooks pasta so well. At the time, me and this Faith's Kitchen, we were in a situation where like, how I wish we could just tell this other person to like send us pasta and we can eat. It goes so bad that we crave that food. It's because this person can cook. So ladies, learn how to cook. Learn how to cook. So that even if you're not around, people will miss you. Like they still miss what you cook. People will want to eat what you cook. Sometimes I used to have my sister. There's a way she cuts her leaves. She cuts leaves so tiny. I can't cut the leaves that way. She does that, and sometimes she cooks very well. Sometimes when she's angry, she just cook, but she knows how to cook. You get that? So just know how to cook. And there's some people, even if you post on your page or on your status, I just be like, I can't even. The food may be beautiful, but I can't eat it because I've eaten your food before, so I know you don't know how to cook. Do you get the point? So at the end of the day, just know how to cook. If you can cook, go on YouTube, watch some tutorials. If you can have what this one who uses so much ingredient and all that, go to the pages where they use few or less things and have a good meal. Cook something that people will eat and they will love it and they will crave for it. So this is basically the story behind this video. And thank you for watching, and as you watch, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notification bell, comment so when I upload new videos you can get to see it. Thank you so much.